Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 19th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. While the streak continues, more buying for stocks. We saw the Dow going up 39 points to another fresh new high, while the S&P 500 managed to gain approximately 3 points. The Nasdaq squeaked out a gain of 6.5, while the Russell was pretty flat on the day. Now, bonds pulling back slightly, down 31 cents. Gold bounced a little bit, about 3 points or so. Not a big deal. It's pretty much a pause in this area. Crude was down slightly, down 43 cents. Now, the dollar seemed to take a bit of a break here against the CAD. If we look at it against basket of other currencies, you can see it was also a fairly quiet day. That is mostly due to the meeting coming up tomorrow. I'll touch on that a bit more. Now, there's another chart I want to share with you, and that is Bed Bath & Beyond. They once again announced lower sales. This one has been getting beat up like many retail stocks for the longest time here. The bulk of the year, it's really down about 50% for the year, down another percent today, and looks like this one can go much lower. In fact, if we look at the monthly chart here, looks like it's in a free fall and could come down to these 2009 lows right in here. There's a nice area of support right in here, down in the $18 range, the 18 to 20 range, which are those 2009 lows. It looks very, very likely that we get there. Question is, what happens at that point? Do we break through and go even lower or bounce? But either way, there's opportunity here from 27 down to that 18 to 20 range. So keep an eye on this. The weekly could be setting up once again this week. There is a bearish engulfing setup there, but the daily, I'm sure, on any bounce here would be a nice shorting opportunity. Now, tomorrow morning, you should expect a slower morning for stocks as well as the dollar. All of this in anticipation of the Fed meeting announcement coming up, the FOMC announcement coming up at 2 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. The market is waiting to hear from Janet Yellen and team as to what they're going to do with rates. No matter what, it's going to drive the dollar and stocks one way or the other. But until we get to that 2 p.m. mark, it should be fairly quiet. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.